What happens to your cryptocurrency when you die? Hi, my name's Alec Osland, and I'm an attorney at the Yanowitz law firm, where we've been assisting families with wills, trusts, and probate for over 30 years. Today, I want to talk about a question that's becoming more and more common. What happens to your cryptocurrency when you die? Whether you own Bitcoin, NFTs, or a diversified crypto wallet, the truth is, if you don't plan ahead, your assets could be lost forever when you pass away. Unlike a traditional bank account, crypto is decentralized. There's no customer service number, there's no forgotten password button. No one really has a way to reset your wallet if your loved ones can't access it. And if no one knows where your keys are or how to use those keys, your crypto can die with you. Now, here's the good news. You can pass your crypto on, but you need to have a few things in place to do so. First, you need to have a clear inventory of your crypto assets. This includes what you own, where it's stored, how it's accessed, whether it's in a hardware wallet, in an exchange, or in a cold storage solution. Additionally, you'll need to securely store your keys, your password, any phrases, or any login credentials that are needed to access these assets. It is very important that you do not just email these to yourself or use a sticky note. You want to use a secure method. You may want to use an encrypted digital vault or offline instructions that can be accessed by someone you trust in the future. Additionally, you want to think about including your cryptocurrency in your estate plan. This may mean adding something into your will or your trust, or utilizing a designated digital asset executor, someone who has the legal rights to access your crypto property. And it's important that you have your cryptocurrency identified in your estate plan, because if you don't, your family may not have the legal access to get your assets upon your death, as they may not even know that they exist. Because crypto isn't tied to a name or a social security number, there may be no paper trail of existing. Specifically, no one's going to call your heirs and say, hey, did you know this loved one had this six-figure crypto wallet? We want to make sure there's documentation letting your loved ones know that you have cryptocurrency and that it is included in your estate. At the Yanowitz Law Firm, we help clients securely integrate their digital assets into their estate plans. We make sure your crypto is protected and that it actually reaches the people that you intended to. If you've invested in digital assets, don't leave them in legal limbo. You want to make sure that we take the time to protect them so they won't disappear later on. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out when we post a new video. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.